Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can obtain B statue and Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to get the statue, you need to go to the Honeycoin shop to buy the Hive crate. Let me go to the Honeycoin shop right here. And then you're going to buy the the hive crate. It's right here guys, and it cost 3k honey coins if I'm not mistaken. And these are the items, the possible items from this crate. There are Jester bee statue, Princess bee statue, bee lamp, bee case, and bee bridge, and Empress bee statue. This is the OP one and the rarest one. You only have 6.25% chance to get the Empress bee statue. And yeah, just buy the hive crate and go to your garden to place the crate, and after 1 hour you will be able to open the crate, and if you're lucky you will get the bee statue. Okay guys, and that's how we can obtain a bee statue in Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.